Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro Dash Cam. One of the newest and most advanced dash cams on the market for 2025. This dual-channel dash cam comes packed with high-end features designed to keep your drives safe and well documented. Let's dive in. First off, the R2-4K Dual Pro records in stunning 4K for the front camera at 30 frames per second and 2K for the rear camera at 30 frames per second. Both cameras use Sony's latest Star-VIS2 sensors, the IMX678 for the front and the IMX675 for the rear. These sensors offer higher light sensitivity, reduced noise, and minimal motion blur. That means whether you're driving at night, through tunnels, or during sudden light changes, you'll get clear, crisp footage with great detail. The front camera has a wide f1.7 aperture and a 150-degree ultra-wide angle, while the rear comes with an f1.55 aperture and a 140-degree angle. License plates, road signs, and even small details are captured sharply. The dash cam also features lightning-fast dual-band Wi-Fi 6, supporting both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. This allows you to connect seamlessly to the ROVE Dash Cam app on your smartphone, whether iPhone or Android. You can manage settings, update firmware over the air, and download 4K videos at speeds up to 30 megabytes per second. Sharing your recordings with friends or on social media has never been easier. For drivers who want precise tracking, the R2-4K Dual Pro comes with built-in quad-mode GPS. It supports GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS satellite systems, displaying live speed, compass, and timestamp directly on the dashcam screen while recording. This makes reviewing routes, validating incidents, or analyzing trips a breeze using the free ROVE Dashcam GPS player. When it comes to long-term security, this dashcam has a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with 3 intelligent options: time-lapse recording at 1 frame per second, motion detection, and collision detection. When an event is triggered, the cam records a 1-minute video, stores it securely in a locked folder, and alerts you with a voice message the next time you start your vehicle. For uninterrupted performance, the camera uses a supercapacitor, which offers higher heat and cold resistance, enhancing the product's lifespan compared to traditional batteries. Installation is straightforward. The package includes a 6.5-meter Type-C rear camera cable, a 12-foot Type-C power cable, a dual USB fast car charger, and even a car wiring tool. On top of that, a 128GB ROVE Pro micro SD card is included, along with a ROVE Ultimate Corporal filter to reduce glare and reflections on the windshield. The system supports up to 1 TB of external storage, so you can record without worrying about running out of space. The dashcam also offers seamless loop recording, an emergency video lock, a 3-axis G sensor, and dual video IQ mode. Its 3-inch IPS screen ensures wider visibility, and controls can be managed both via physical buttons and the ROVE app. This combination of features makes it ideal for cars, SUVs, and even larger vehicles like buses and trucks. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro is designed for drivers who want high-resolution footage, reliable GPS tracking, convenient wireless connectivity, and robust parking protection. It's compact, sleek, and built to handle a variety of driving conditions with ease. If you're in the market for a dash cam that combines advanced technology with ease of use, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews and tech insights. We'll see you in the next video.